of me is Honor50, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, go into Play Store. Now click on the search bar, type in Magic Fluids and install the free version of this app, that one, from this developer. Then click on Open. Now you need to click on those three lines at the bottom right corner and select Settings. Come on. Then click I accept in the pop-up and adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you wish to. When you're ready, click at the top right corner and bottom one again. This time you need to select Set as Live Wallpaper, click on Apply over here and choose Home button. And now as you can see, my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!